y'all, so I received some hair products from Red Beauty Supply and they sent me their hair wash, which comes in this cute package, and their hair mask. So I'm just gonna try them out for this wash day and let's see how they work. So first impressions, I love the scent. It smells like a lemon dessert, some type of lemon dessert pie. It smells good. So it's actually called a gentle milky hair cleanser. It's for 3A to 4C hair types. Comes out like this. Very milky. It looks like a lemon topping. It smells so good, like a dessert. I want to eat it. But it's a hair wash. Oh, it also comes with a lid so I could like save the rest. Now I did have some buildup of hair from my last hairstyle, so I'm curious to see if it clears up all that buildup. It is setting up, as you can see. As like creamy as it was, it's setting up like a good shampoo. Like, yeah, I just love the scent. Like, the scent is what's making me love it. Let's rinse this out and see how we're looking. So I didn't use it all, so I'm gonna put on the cap actually and save the rest for, I guess, next week. So now I feel like the conditioner smells like a cake. So this is the package, and this one's a little bit thicker. That's actually too much for this section, so I'm gonna put the rest up there. This one has a scent that's like a sweet cake. It's very thick. It's soaking into the hair as it should. I only need a little bit per section because it's so thick. No, it's really thick. That's really the big takeaway from this conditioner. Okay, so I didn't use all of it, so I'm gonna just re-secure it, and it says to let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. So I rinsed it out, and now I have in my hair butter, and I really like the Red Beauty Supply. It really made my hair feel soft. So now I'm just going to moisturize my hair and do like chunky twists to moisturize it for the next protective hairstyle I'm doing, which is box braids with curly ends, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so to do my chunky twists, I'm just gonna use a hair butter. This is a DIY one I made, and you can tell it's running out. I need to make my next one soon, but after I run out of that one today, I'm gonna use one that I already have on hand that I brought from the store from Aliki Naturals. So I'm just doing chunky twists just to stretch my hair out for my box braids tomorrow. So this is about the size I'm gonna do. I can make them even bigger. I should have made it a little bigger because I don't want definition, I want stretched hair. So I usually do my protective styles on stretched natural hair, and I really never use the blow dryer before my protective styles. I stretch it this way. What is in my throat? So I usually keep my hair wet and I let the hair butter soak in all the water after rinsing out my deep conditioner. If you're interested in my next hair butter, definitely stay tuned because it's coming soon. Okay, so I'm done with the chunky twist, so I just let them air dry overnight and then I do the protective style the next day. So thumbs up this video, check out more like this on my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.